What's up guys, it's me Ubaid and you are watching Tech Expode. I'm back with a brand new video and it's time to take a look on new phone which is Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Well, for going further, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel for more and click the bell icon for more latest videos. So let's get started. Huawei's Mate 20 Pro is a wild bag of phone tricks. If the Samsung Galaxy S9 and iPhone X had a phone baby, this is it. So say you phones are boring. They don't do anything new. Well, good news. The new Huawei Mate 20 Pro is ready to bring some crazy ideas to the table. Huawei's latest flagship phone was just unveiled in London and like all Huawei phones, it won't be widely available in the US. But the Mate 20 Pro has a handful of unique features that totally set it apart from the rest of market, which increasingly seems to blur together. It's a promising smartphone that actually offers something new. Let's run down the features, starting with the craziest. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is Huawei's answer to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It's a 6.3-inch phone packed with top tech, including 3 rear cameras and in-screen fingerprint scanner. Plus, it wirelessly charges other phones. The Mate 20 Pro is joined by the standard Mate 20, which looks similar but lacks some of Pro's exciting new tricks, such as new fingerprint scanner and two-way charging. The Mate 20 Pro has a 6.39-inch display with a 3120x1440 pixel resolution. There are 3 cameras in that scale: a wide-angle 40-megapixel camera, a telephoto 8-megapixel camera, and a super wide-angle one with a 20-megapixel resolution. The screen stretches right to the edge of the phone. And of course, there's a notch at the top. At least there's not much of a chin on the bottom edge of phone. The standard Mate 20, however, has a tiny teardrop notch and a larger, although less narrow 6.53-inch 2224x1080 pixel screen. An interesting new feature in the Mate 20 Pro is a fingerprint scanner built into the display itself. It works well in our hands on time, although how convenient it is to use in a hurry remains to be seen. Both phones charge with USB-C. As well as being able to charge the Pro with the wireless charging, you can also use the Pro to wirelessly charge other phones. I tried it with an iPhone X and iPhone XS and it worked well. Both the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro come in this neat bottle green color. The camera has the same AI screen recognition we were seeing on other recent Huawei phones such as the P20 Pro. It automatically applies what it thinks are best setting to get the right shot in a given scene. It detects scenes very quickly. By default, you can zoom in 3x or 5x, or you can crop into the image further, up to a ridiculous 10x. Although don't expect much detail out of resulting image. The small notch on the Mate 20 Pro is offensive enough. It's just big enough for front-facing camera. The Pro's is larger to include the face detection technology that it uses for face unlock, much like the iPhone X. Both phones are slim and comfortable to hold. The flash fields in the final corner of camera scare on the back. The phones are built from glass and glossy metal. This deep blue colors looks great as well. Both the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro runs on Huawei's latest highest performance Kirin 980 processor. The Mate 20 has a 4000 mAh battery, while the Pro has a 4200 mAh battery. Additional specs according to Huawei: size 158 by 72 by 8.6 mm, weight 189 grams, 6.7 ounces. Display 6.39-inch 3120x1440 pixel AMOLED. CPU Huawei Kirin 980 processor. OS Android Pie 9.0 with the Huawei EMUI 9.0. RAM 6GB or 8GB. Storage 128 or 256GB expandable. Rear cameras: Leica 40-megapixel focus 1.8, 20-megapixel focus 2.2, 8-megapixel focus 2.4, OIS on 8-megapixel. Front camera 24-megapixel focus 2.0. Dual SIM. Battery 4200 mAh. The Mate 20 Pro starts at €1049 for a version with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It's on sale now in Europe. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Peace out.